Hello everyone. Now we study about the balanced binary search tree. So in this balanced binary search tree, we use balance factor. So how to calculate the balance factor? Balance factor is equal to height of the left subtree minus height of the right subtree. So valid balance factor is +1, -1 and 0. So let's we solve one example. So in this example, some words are given. Start from B, F, I. So first word is Brijesh. So this is our root node. Now we move for the second word, Fiza. So F is the greater than B. So this is go for the right side of the tree. Now we see the balance factor. So the balance factor of Fiza is 0, not a -1, and balance factor for the Brijesh now is the -1 because left child minus right child. So left child is 0 minus right child is now 1. So balance factor is -1. So -1 and 0 is the valid factor. Now the second, we move for the Imran. So I is the greater than B and F. So this is again go for the right child. Now the balance factor is 0. Fiza's balance factor is -1 because 0 minus 1 is -1. And the Bridges balance factor is -2 because no any left child is present in the left side. So 0 minus right height of the right child. So the height of the right child is 2, 1 and 2. So the balance factor is -2, which is invalid balance factor. So that's why we rotate the given tree. How? If -2 is come, then it rotate anti-clockwise, and if +2 is come, then it rotate in clockwise direction. So here -2, so we rotate the tree in anti-clockwise direction. So when we rotate anti-clockwise direction, that time Brijesh is come in down. So now the Brijesh is the left child of the Fiza and Imran is the right child. So now we count the balance factor. Now again balance factor is left child minus right child of the height of the node. So the Imran's balance factor is 0. Now Fiza's balance factor is 0 because in left child also one node is present and in right side also one node is present. So again the balance factor is 0. Now the next word is come Naveen. So N is the greater than F, I and so it go for the right child. Now again count the balance factor. This is 0, -1, -1 and 0. Now the Lovely is the word. So L is the greater than F, greater than I, but smaller than N. So that's why it go left side of the Naveen because N is the greater and L is the smaller. So again we count the balance factor, and now the balance factor of the Imran is -2 because 0 minus 2 is -2, and Fiza also balance factor is -2 because at the left side only one node is present and in the right side 3 nodes are the present. So 1 minus 3 is -2, and when -2 is come, that time we rotate anti-clockwise. So now Imran is go at the root node and Fiza is come at the left child. So again we count the balance factor. So same procedure we continue for the all the words of the input. Now again the word is come Pretty. Then again this is the greater than I, greater than N. So this is the right child of the Naveen and the balance factor is balanced. Now Jassi. So J is the greater than I but smaller than N and L. So that's why it go for the left side of the lovely. And again calculate the balance factor. How we calculate balance factor? Height of the left child minus height of the right child. Now the word Ajit is come. A is smaller than I, F, B and so A means Ajit go for the left child of the Brijesh. Now the balance factor of Fiza is 2 because 2 minus 0 because no any right child is present on the Fiza. So we rotate plus 2 is come, so that's why we rotate clockwise direction. So now Brijesh is come upward side and the Fiza is go right child of the Brijesh. Only Fiza create the problem, so that's why we only rotate Fiza and Brijesh. So I hope you all get idea how we do rotations and balance the balance factor. Now Hina is come and at the last Danny, and this is the last our final answer. I hope you all get the idea how to build balanced binary tree. In same way we create the balanced tree for the numerical value. So first 3 is come, so this is the root node. Then 5 is greater than 3, so it go for the right child and balance factor is 0 and minus 1. Now the 11 is come. 11 is also greater than 3, 5, so this is the right child of the 5. When we calculate the balance factor, that time 3 has a balance factor minus 2, and when we know when balance factor come minus 2, that time we perform anti-clockwise rotation. So now the balance factor is balanced. This is the 0, 0, 0. So now the 8 is come. So 8 is the smaller than 11, that's why it go for the left child of the 11. And again we calculate the balance factor. Now 4 is the greater than 3, so it's go right side of the 3 and balance factor again is the balanced. So in this way we calculate all the balance factor for each node. Now 12 is come. 12 is go for the right side of the 11. So in same way we calculate 7, 2, and this is our last answer of the numerical. So we see all the balance factors are balanced in this tree. So I hope you get idea how to build balanced binary tree. Thank you.